Easily prepared, simply microwave and stir. Jar has a convenient handle, so looking for potholders or burning your hands never happens. Includes a pre-epilation oil that ensures that wax always adheres just to the hair and never skin. Spatulas are wide and easy to grip and have a wide spreading surface to lay down more wax at a time, speeding up the process. Brazilian Waxing Guide contains very detailed step-by-step instructions and illustrations to make the process easy. Surgi-Wax Brazilian Waxing Kit 4 ounces. Brazilian hard wax ingredients: rosin, triethylene glycol ester of rosin, beeswax, Cera Alba, Methyl hydrogenated rosinate, glycerin, paraffin, Acer Saccharinum, sugar maple extract, honey extract, Glycine Soja, Soybean oil, Carthamus Tinctorius, Safflower seed oil. Top reviews from the United States. Gets the job done. Used another brand's wax strips prior to this and was very disappointed with the previous product's performance. A friend recommended Surgi-Wax and I am glad she did. The difference in products was night and day.